What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, you're not seeing double. We have grown another Fox, and no, this is not ours. This is the customer's car, but yeah, it needs help. All right, y'all, so this car is going to be here for quite a few projects, and I'll see if you can figure out the first one. Yeah, it's, we got issues, guys. We have some vibrations, and basically the harmonic balancer is about to fall off of it. Well, if you're wondering why I'm saying we're seeing double, because if you recall, we got that one too. Right. Brakes are a little sticky too. All right. So, here's the deal. We will do an introduction to this car. It needs a lot of love. But if you caught the upload a while back, this is the car that was sitting for 8 years. So as you can see, we have two white GTs in desperate need of help. Let's see if this one will start up, because we're kind of gonna start at the basics with this one. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. All right, stand by. All right, boys, as per usual, we gotta jump it off. One of the other issues we're gonna try and figure out on this car. But before we go any farther, we've got some concerns and questions regarding the health of the engine. So once we get the car actually started, get her in the shop, we're going to see via compression test if this thing's even worth tuning up. If it is, then we're going to tune it up. If it isn't, then we're going to drop back and punt. So let's see if we can get her started. All right, let's see what we got here. Nothing.
You got the clutch mask?
Yeah, I got nothing at all. I had something earlier. Uh-oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah.
These cables are shooting.
Yeah, pretty much needs all new battery cables. Rip, 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 rip. Woo! It is alive, boys. God bless, it's hot in here too. It's only like 100 and something degrees. Sounds like a dump truck too. Hey, look, it's a white GT. All right, let's get her inside here and see. Hey, it's Cody. What's up, G? All right. Alrighty, so step number one, because the engine's kind of a weird mess, and just, you could hear it when it was running. It didn't sound too healthy. We'll start off, do a little compression testing.
Yeah, look at the plugs and
Yeah.
and see what we're working with.
We do have all the stuff to do the tune-up, which, like I said, you know, we'll go ahead and knock that out if the engine's healthy, but there is some questions as to whether or not we've got good compression across all the cylinders, so we're about to run that and just make sure this thing is happy and healthy and worth putting any money into.
Got some carbon buildup that might be going in.
All right, guys, plugs are out. Let's see what we got here. Okay.
Daddy was right.
About 155. And number 2. About 150, so yeah, pretty consistent.
So far, so good, huh?
So far. All right. Number 3. Good. It's still in range.
And it was still climbing.
Still in range. That was about 145 or so. All right, number 5. Good.
And not in cylinder order either.
No, those were just the 5th one we've checked. And cylinder number 6.
All right.
Good.
All right.
Good. That's the 7th. All right, boys, last one. Another rip. Engine is good, boys. Well, at least we have compression.
They cruise the valve seals too.
Yeah.
The valve seals.
Yeah, so we're good compression wise. We can smell the nasty gas. It's old, so that's not helping. And obviously the mice have been chewing on the wires and stuff. So the good thing is now we know that the engine is healthy. So we can go ahead, tune the thing up, and you know, check the timing, get rid of all the old plugs and wires and all that. Maybe, just maybe, with some fresh gas and a fresh tune-up, this thing will run good. We'll know shortly. All right, guys, so got the tune-up done, plugs, wires, cap, rotor. Obviously these are just part store stuff. We're not trying to hot rod. We're just trying to get the car running right with new parts, get everything set. We did get the timing set right at 10 degrees, so that's good. But one thing I noticed is got an issue here at the coil. So I'm gonna go and dig through the parts pile and find another coil. Not sure if maybe that was giving us some trouble, but obviously it's not helping things. So I'm gonna swap that out and then fire it back up, see how it's running, and continue on.
It's hot. Nasty hot.
All right, guys, so tuned up, got the coil replaced, new plugs, wires, cap, rotor.
Try it out.
Yeah, see what she do. Hopefully it'll start. Okay. Yeah, it's stinky, y'all, so we're gonna pull it out. Got some new molding and stuff for it. Whoa! Fired up good. All right. So, actually seems like it's running pretty decent. No smoke. Doesn't feel like it's missing, so I mean, who knows? What do you think? Let's see here, see what she does. Yeah, it's doing something. Oh, lovely. All right, y'all. So we have.
Like it works.
We're not getting any voltage either. Well, guys, it seemed like she smoothed out a little bit. It's been sitting with the battery dead for a while, so it might have to do a little bit of a relearn, but we're not getting any smoke or anything like that. We got a little exhaust leak or something maybe over here. Well, it's not doing too bad. Yeah, 100% better. Everything seem good? Not bad. All right, guys, so we're going to continue to work on the 88 GT. We will get this thing right, I promise you, and have periodic fixes as we go along. But again, you know, these cars, they're definitely worth saving. You know, sometimes you'll get one that's got a lot that it needs, and you know, you have to kind of stand back and look at the overall picture and decide if it's really worth it. This car does have a lot of issues, but at the same time, it can be fixed. It can all be fixed. Just a matter of time, money, effort, and you know, what you want. So that is what is up, guys. We're going to continue to work on this car. I promise you, if it can be saved, which I believe it can, we'll save it. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I killed it. And we'll be back saving those foxes.